ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமில் கேட்கக்கூடிய இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், which of the following symptoms are the differentiated between small for gestational age and large for gestational age? Option A, hypocalcemia. Option B, respiratory distress. Option C, hypoglycemia. Option D, polycythemia. Answer, option A, hypocalcemia. Second question, the newborn maturity rating scale is assessed by option A, New Ballard score. Option B, Apgar score. Option C, Chandler score. Option D, Oleander score. Answer, option A, New Ballard score. Third question, the client is admitted to the intensive care unit experiencing status epilepticus. Which intervention should the nurse anticipate implementing first? Option A, assess the client's neurological status frequently. Option B, monitor the client's heart rhythm via telemetry. Option C, administer diazepam benzodiazepine. Option D, prepare to administer anticonvulsant medication. Answer, option C, administer diazepam a benzodiazepine. Fourth question, which of the following is not a sign of meningeal irritation? Option A, knuckle rigidity. Option B, Hernick sign. Option C, Brunsky signs. Option D, Chotek sign. Answer, option D, Chotek sign. Fifth question, pulsus paradoxus seen in all except option A, cor pulmonale. Option B, acute asthma. Option C, SVC obstruction. Option D, mitral regurgitation. Answer, option D, mitral regurgitation. Sixth question, what is the purpose of the recovery position in first aid? Option A, to prevent aspiration. Option B, to maintain an open airway. Option C, to assess responsiveness. Option D, to clear airway obstruction. Correct answer, option A, to prevent aspiration. Seventh question, the emotional experience in childhood becomes traumatic when? Option A, the ego is overwhelmed by anxiety it cannot handle. Option B, the child is unable to verbalize own feeling. Option C, the superego has not been internalized. Option D, parents are harsh and restrictive. Answer, option B, the child is unable to verbalize own feeling. Eighth question, which test should the nurse check in her assessment of a patient receiving heparin? Option A, PTT, partial thromboplastin. Option B, complete blood count. Option C, arterial blood gas levels. Option D, hemoglobin level. Answer, option A, PTT, partial thromboplastin time. Ninth question, which device increase the blood flow through the veins of legs and helps prevent blood clots? Option A, ABG analysis. Option B, ASG anti-shock garment. Option C, DVT pump. Option D, Doppler. Answer, option C, DVT pump. 10th question, following BMW is supposed to be discarded in biomedical waste. Option A, puncture proof container. Option B, black bin. Option C, blue bin. Option D, red bin. Answer, option A, puncture proof container. 11th question, Renal threshold for glucose is option A 200 mg per dl, option B 180 mg per dl, option C 360 mg per dl, option D 600 mg per dl. Answer option B 180 mg per dl. 12th question. Which findings in the organs revealed carbon monoxide poisoning? Option A cherry red and bright pink appearance, option B swollen organs, option C bluish airways, option D greenish spots. Answer option A cherry red and bright pink appearance. 13th question. Which part of the human body does multiple sclerosis affect? Option A reproductive system, option B nervous system, option C digestive system, option D respiratory system. Answer option B nervous system. 14th question. Wilms tumor affects which of the following organ? Option A lungs, option B liver, option C kidney, option D uterus. Answer option C kidney. 15th question. De-escalation of antiplatelet therapy in the first 30 days after an ACS event is option A not recommended, option B may be considered, option C should be considered, option D recommended. Answer option A not recommended. 16th question. What type of fracture is Danish-Weber classification primarily used to classify? Option A pelvic fracture, option B lateral ankle fracture, option C femoral neck fracture, option D vertebral compression fracture. Answer option B lateral ankle fracture. 17th question. Generalized decreased bone density is due to all except option A multiple myeloma, option B hypoparathyroidism, option C osteomalacia, option D osteoporosis. The correct answer is option B hypoparathyroidism. 18th question. The first menstruation in a female is called option A menarche, option B menopause, option C dysmenorrhea, option D amenorrhea. Correct answer is option A menarche. 19th question. ART is used in the treatment of option A HIV, option B CKD, option C CVA, option D ESRD. Answer option A HIV. 20th question. Anti-ketogenic hormone is option A adrenaline, option B dobutamine, option C insulin, option D glucagon. Answer option C insulin.